Ferrari. The Ferrari Review. The LaFerrari is very possibly the world's fastest, most exciting hypercar, which is some statement to make when there are machines such as the McLaren P1 and Porsche 918 Spider to contend with. The bottom line, however, is that LaFerrari has more power, a whopping 950 bhp, and less weight to carry around than its prestigious rivals, so figuratively, if nothing else, it quite clearly has the upper hand. Either way, this is the ultimate Ferrari, and it has but four ancestors: the 288 TO, the F40, the F50 and the Enzo, each of these being a limited series car, just like LaFerrari, of which just 499 will be made during the next 2 years. At the center of the car, behind its two fixed carbon fiber seats, sits a 6,262cc naturally aspirated V12 engine that generates 790 bhp at 9,000 rpm and 516 pounds-foot of torque at 6,750 rpm. On their own, these outputs would be sufficient to make the Ferrari more potent than the Scuderia's last V12 F1 car, the 412T from 1995. But also behind and beneath the seat sits a 60 kilograms lithium-ion battery pack which, via a 25.7 kilograms electric motor, provides a further 160 bhp and 199 pounds-foot to give combined outputs of 950 bhp and 715 pounds-foot. However, entirely unlike its rivals from Porsche and McLaren, the Ferrari's power unit has been designed to produce its maximum outputs all of the time. There is no e-mode that can be engaged as such. Instead, the combustion engine and the high-current system have been engineered to work as one, with energy being constantly harvested on the move via the brakes, the ABS system, the traction control system and even the e-diff to deliver full beans, as in 950 bhp, whenever you want it. The prodigious energy produced by this so-called power unit is then sent to the rear wheels, and the rear wheels only, via a 7-speed dual-clutch auto gearbox, made for Ferrari by Getrag. This also has an electric motor attached to it, with a dedicated gear set that transmits drive directly to the final drive, thereby reducing the need for a typically vast clutch. The meticulous removal of weight runs as a key theme throughout the supercar's engineering, and this is but one example, via a 7-speed dual-clutch auto gearbox, made for Ferrari by Getrag. This also has an electric motor attached to it, with a dedicated gear set that transmits drive directly to the final drive, thereby reducing the need for a typically vast clutch. The meticulous removal of weight runs as a key theme throughout the supercar's engineering, and this is but one example, the supercar's engineering, and this is but one example.